Ho, Uncle Nudge here. I'm with Italian John. We're up at the Jade place. Italian John's got his camping rig here, and you've seen this place before. So yeah, here's some Jade. This is a beautiful big piece. I mean, look how big that is. Just huge. And that one's not wet, but this one's polished. You know, look at that. It's just huge and beautiful. I can't even say what that might be worth. Here's some botryoidal. This is a beautiful piece here. Super. I mean, look at that. Just gorgeous. I mean, that looks like it could be jade, but it almost looks like grossular garnet. I don't know. So, got some other stuff here. This is kind of a blue-green. Nice piece. I mean, like I say, look at the size. Just awesome. Some more. Here's, I mean, look at this. You'd never think that was blue inside. And this brown has got blue inside. Just beautiful. The big piece of botryoidal. There's other stuff along there. Yeah, and he's got some rough stuff here. It looks like, I don't know if he just found this stuff or sorting it out. And just cases of stuff. And okay, so already here, I grab my bucket and head down. See how close we are to the water here. Gonna camp overnight. Gonna head upstream today. Lot of rocks here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do a little drone action here.
Take off.
Okay, I'm gonna start filming.
Max altitude reached.
Here's old Italian John over there. Let's pay him a visit. So here I am over here. And just kind of go down the
Home point updated.
down here and check it out. This is the North Fork of the Skagit River, and I'm on private property. Good friend. Back over there somewhere, and I think we'll come up back up here. So you see me there, and there's the house back there. got a real nice property, 20 acres, something like that. So let's take it up and look around a bit here. So we're up near Darrington, and might even be able to see Darrington here. Beautiful area. There's a bunch of creeks up here that have jade, including this river. So I made my way up a little ways, and so far don't have anything in my bucket. There's definitely a lot of interesting rocks here. What's this? Nothing. Got a little red on it. Yeah, mainly looking for jade and maybe some grossular garnet. Got a lot of this green stuff. Not sure what it is. Seems to be an abundance of it. There's a lot of quartz and black and white rocks. So just gonna keep making my way up here. Came up here more in the shallows and really clear. A lot of this type of stuff, and a lot to look at, but nothing I want to put in my bucket here. So I will say it's about 85 degrees today, and this water is cool. It just feels good to stand in here. I'm about knee high, and definitely cools me off. So I just found one here. It's kind of there's a lot of quartz, and it's got green in it, and it's got some scum on it that could be taken off, but I actually think it's got some potential, and I'm gonna park it right here. And there's just a ton of rocks. Make my way further up. Yeah, some definite interesting patterns on these rocks. That's kind of cool. I think I'll keep that. Just wild stuff. And it's just all over. I don't know what it is. Some of it's super cool, but other than putting on a shelf, not sure what it's good for. And I found kind of a cool, there's a bunch of real swirlies where I'm at, and so might pick some of these up just as pendants. I mean, that's pretty cool. These smaller ones like this. It might be, I'm hoping to find some big stuff. I mean, look at this quartz, just crazy. It'd be nice to see a big chunk of gold in there. But I don't know, I might just be picking up a bunch of this swirly stuff and even these greenish rocks and just making pendants. So I found this one, and this could be jade. It's not translucent, but definitely has the jade look, so I'll go ahead and keep that. But yeah, it's just crazy patterns. These rocks. Okay, so here's a rock. It's pretty cool. Look at those stripes on it. They kind of stick up. So I'm going to go ahead and take that. So I just took a little break and now I'm headed downstream and walking along here, and here's just a huge piece of quartzite that I'm going to get wet here. And wow, that's pretty cool. Not a super pattern. What's this? Nothing. But just a big piece of quartzite. Sweet. So yeah, you can see how translucent this is. I mean, this is just crazy. That's just a big piece of quartzite. You could call it an agate even. So I'm further down here and it's just turned into a shallow city, and there's some small rocks in here, but a lot of fine gravel stuff. And kind of a nice little walk through here, and it looks like there's more rocks up ahead, so that's good. Yeah, that looks okay up there, so go check that out. Yeah, come down maybe as far as I'm gonna go. I got this big rock here. This thing is huge. Check it out. Huge. So looks like a nice place to inner tube right here, and sure enough, somebody's got their inner tubes over here. Pretty nice ones. And I see maybe a abandoned beach towel over there or something. And somebody's been stacking rocks out here. Go out and take a look at them. Actually pretty cool. They got rocks all over here on rocks. Let's see. Kind of slick. Yeah, see this right here? Pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna head back. Seen a few things I might pick up. So walking along, I just found this big green rock here. I had it in the water. It's not jade, I don't think. It's pretty freaking heavy though. But I think I'm gonna take it. So I'm in this scrub brush stuff, and there's a bunch of rocks in here, and not too many people would come in this, and I found a couple here. Pretty cool stripes. I like this one and this stripy one. And is that jade? No. But I'm thinking, what other fool would be in the scrub brush? So I'm gonna keep looking. So yeah, I was over in that scrub brush And I found a few more. So I'm headed back here, and this is a whole bunch of driftwood. And so I'm looking through it and found one piece I kind of like. Got a neat hole in it. And I'm going to look through here, and then friend's house is over here. I might look through here, and then I'm going to see what I'm going to do. Yeah, and then we had some dinner here, getting going there, Italian John, and there's how mine turned out, and got a few rocks there, and thanks to Italian John for having that dinner ready. And here, Uncle Nudge, and I just say, see you next time. So got good assortment of things, different than my usual stuff. Even the driftwood is a little different over there, and a lot more greens and stripy rocks I noticed. And that's something cool with like a blue stripe going through it. And these, I think that's a big piece of jade there, and some quartzite, very translucent. And I'm not sure what the stripy rocks are, but they actually look more pronounced when they're dry and they're wet here. So I reshot a little video of them here coming up. But they look cool when they're wet too. So it's kind of the group of everything. And then, like I say, here's the striped ones. And I'm pretty sure they're dry here, even though I do see some water. I think that was just wet, but the rocks were dry. And I think they're cool as a display, and whether it's one of them or all of them together, they're just real different. So not sure exactly what I'm gonna come up with them to do with them yet, but I'll show you. So anyway, I had a great time, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.